Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a baseline so you know what to fix. First, update or confirm your GPU driver. Outdated drivers often cause high load. Once done, run a monitoring tool like MSI Afterburner or Task Manager and record GPU percent, temperature, and clock behavior while launching the game. Also, close overlays and unnecessary background apps. Discord, browsers, and recording software can force GPU work. This initial setup tells you whether the issue is software, configuration, or thermal, and it saves time during deeper changes. Now you change the settings that directly affect GPU load. Lower or turn off heavy effects like shadows, ambient occlusion, and screen space reflections, because these are GPU bound. Then open your GPU control panel and set power management to a balanced or optimal profile rather than maximum performance. This prevents the card from running flat out constantly. Next, cap the frame rate with RTSS or the game's limiter to avoid unnecessary 200+ FPS workloads. These steps reduce sustained utilization. Finish by ensuring hardware and software are stable. Check GPU temperatures. If they exceed safe limits, clean dust, improve case airflow, or reapply thermal paste. Thermal throttling can spike utilization. If a recent driver caused higher usage, perform a clean install or roll back to a stable version. Once done, test multiple games and use safe or minimal settings to compare behavior. If the problem persists, use the recorded baselines to isolate whether it's a driver, game-specific bug, or hardware fault. Then target that specific fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.